Let's go. You know it's baby, nigga.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
She wanna fuck with me, but I don't got the time. I just hopped off a private plane and went and hopped on 85. Go cut my chauffeur, bitch, cause I don't like to drive. In Suburbans back to back, and we gon' fill them up with vibes. Fill them with vibes, get in and ride. And no, a nigga not blind, but I keep the stick and I'm fine. I ain't met a nigga in life, just fucking with me, say he did and he lied. We got so many vibes stuffed in the car, we can fuck them hoes 6 at a time. I made them hoes say that nigga so fine, he got the dick, you can feel in your spine. Yeah, that's what they say about baby, you know that them bitches don't play about baby. Baby should go run for president, look what God did, took his time with me. Got a red and white hoe like a peppermint. Take the vibes in, she gon' fuck me and fuck with my brethren. My brother know, having 3 hoes in the king side. I ain't finished yet, get another bitch. Got a ride a nigga screaming hee-haw. You made me proud, girl, you a cowgirl. Did a handstand, I'm like, wow, girl. Got me fucking her upside down. Wow, wow. Yeah, we going dumb, say she wanna come. I'm looking like when, she looking like now. Some more came in, say they wanted 2. I tatted my brother, bitch, I'm out. I know she wanna fuck with me, but I don't got the time. Just hopped off a private plane and went and hopped on 85. Go cut my shoulder, bitch, cause I don't like to drive. It's a baby, we gon' let them vibes. She wanna fuck on me, but I don't got the time. Just hopped off a private plane and went and hopped on 85. Go cut my chauffeur, bitch, cause I don't like to drive.